Thank you for calling the Nigerian Police Force 112. How may we help you? For English, press 1. If na pidgin you want, press 2. Who are the Yoruba? Etaro. Makasusu Igbo, press 4. For armed robbery case, press 1. 2 fighting, press 2. If the armed robbers are more than 1, press 1. If they are 3, press 2. If they are 4 and above, press 3. Okay. If they carry gun, press 1. If they carry cutlass.
What's up, my people on a day? It's another one from your boy OBIKING, and of course you know what I do here, comedy reaction, 100%. So all you have to do for me, like usual, is to make sure you're subscribed, because I promise you I give the best of comedy reactions. Subscribe, drop nice comments, like my video. I beg more they like this video, and above all, make sure to share it as well. You get me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun. Shaggi.
Straightforward, I'm not coming. For one it job it is
Okay. Salam alaikum. The problem of this generator na how?
Engineer.
Engineer. Now waiting cause am.
Are you sure?
I'm sure biti bawo. Okay, which kind of question be that? What I don't they do for 35 years? That be I'm sure.
Yeah, no problem. How much for the engineer?
Let's say 25k.
25? For this small gen?
So you go buy the oil yourself?
Yes, I'll go buy it. Sure, I will get it.
No, Alana. If you don't buy the oil, kuku can fix your generator.
No. Calm down now.
Okay, I don't get time. I see they go fix gen.
It's fine. I'll send you the money.
045.
What's that?
Account number.
Don't I open the app?
I open the app. Okay, time no day. Open the app.
Look at my face. Straightforward, I'm not coming. For one it job it is son.
Okay, I have the transport money. No,
Who are you? Send you 26 now.
Last one. Oh yeah, make I go get them. I no go take time. The place where I won't get time, no fact. The bus be Okada and say, but Okada go kind of sata.
I like hurry up now. You're wasting time. I have to get you.
No, so talk. You
Don't go come back.
No, only talk you dey talk. Only talk now you sabi.
2 hours later.
Okay.
It finally worked.
You know go work.
Please connect the lights. The weather is really hot.
Connect which light? I don't already connect lights. Lights no dey inside.
There's no lights now.
Light no dey inside with the bar.
Fuck them up with the magic.
Don't spoil anything in that jello.
Okay, I don't see wetin do am. Na this boat use. Where I go check am now. Go check am. Oh no.
You give Shaggi work. You never dey serious.
Straightforward,
Everything's perfect.
No, they doubt me.
But just come inside.
Hope no problem.
No, everything's perfect. There's rice. You never like take something.
Okay. Rice is about. I might be professional. As I come like this now to do my work, move. Okay. You know sometimes I dey go Ikoyi.
But real quick now, when
okay, we take time. Is it white or jollof rice?
jollof rice.
Hey! Chicken or turkey?
Turkey.
Let's go.
You good for
We are
this
go
one.
touch up by yourself.
Good. Okay, I be like say you don't know me. Over good they worry me. Wait, how many days you get?
Nonsense, where you got it?
3. Okay, buy 7 more. 52 horsepower. Now me dey tell you. As you see,
Hey!
What happened?
You know, shocker.
What's the problem?
okay, I be like say shock me.
No, that is not possible. We'll go inside.
Okay, this thing shock me. You should say that's not
Are you
possible.
sure?
This thing shock me. Say you get the shock. I be know they shock me.
Mumu, no be you connect generator.
Okay, go inside.
Oh yeah, you go inside.
Let me fix generator. Go inside and test it.
Okay.
Sorry, but I know me.
First, give me my 26k first.
I don't buy oil for your generator now.
Kiriku go sleep today.
Okay, calm down.
Don't first give me my money. Waiting.
Many of that your sharp, but your TV just do boa. Everything just do boa. Everything for your house just do boa. Yeah.
Shaggi the generator repair.
They fucking damn shit.
Idiot.
Chocolate. Now, baby, this is why you don't go village like this. I go miss you well.
I'll miss you so much. I no wan go before. Now my parents make I come. Eh?
I know what like to say. Now your parents, that's why you come.
Yes, my dad. My dad said I should come.
All right now. So like 1 week, Abi.
In 2 weeks' time, I'll be back.
2 weeks.
Yes, 2 weeks. Nothing I feel do now. If not for my parents, I just want to see them. They want to see me too.
All right, tell me when you reach village.
I'll miss you so much. Eh, my love.
Bye
bye.
Who please?
Yeah, am I talking to Talkless?
Yes, sir. Talkless, sir.
Okay, you are the driver that came for the driving interview some months ago.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway, you can resume work on Monday.
I go resume work today.
No problem. If you can, it's okay. I'll be expecting you.
You go see me like this.
Hello, Mr. Emeka. Have you gotten to that side? No. I need you to take.
Hello, sir.
Hold. Let me call you back. Okay, yeah. You are the driver, Abi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. You've done the test now, the driving test.
Yes, sir. I passed on, sir.
Okay, anyway, here's the car key. So you'll be taking my wife for shopping.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Babe! Babe!
Chocolate.
I do let's do this thing tomorrow. I'm tired already. Now I've just come back from travel. I no wan go before. Now my parents make I come. Eh?
What's going on here?
Are you fine?
I'm very much fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
Your girlfriend?
Mr. Ma,
Sir?
what's going on?
No, not till now. Now beauty, now shock me. I did.
Okay. Anyway, babe, here's the new driver.
Oh, new driver. Wow.
And he'll be taking you out for your shopping.
Baby, oh, my tummy.
How is this one possible?
Baby, my tummy.
You what?
Let's do it tomorrow. Let's do it tomorrow.
Babe,
God have
She
mercy.
know they agree.
so she's not going today again till tomorrow.
So open place, sir.
I guess she's very tired though. She's just coming from the village.
Village.
I tell you.
This is
In fact, wait. Maybe not because she just come for the first time.
No. She comes here every month.
Let's have it.
Talkless, no problem. She's a very nice person.
Eh?
You're going to enjoy her company.
This is shocking.
And
As long
girlfriend?
as you are very obedient anyway.
God.
Talkless,
Sir?
why they cry?
Me? No.
Tears of joy.
I did. I'm happy for you, sir.
You know the depress you. You know the depress you.
Chocolate, you know
Jesus.
Ah, Papa, what else, sir? Papa, na prank, I dey prank you. Not be saying na real thing. Small sound wey I mash for ground, now you don go dey pack am. Abeg, na prank, take.
Kojo, make me self go do my own prank for my shrine.
Papa, never reach like that.
Eh?
Jesus.
Papa,
Jesus.
Papa, me that.
Jesus.
Papa.
Voila. So if you feel disappear, why you gonna tell like the worker? Why not just disappear and appear at your destination? Now just stress yourself up and down.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Boss, good morning. There they go. I greet your mother, I greet your uncle. You know fit greet. That's what they teach you.
Who is this one?
I did not put up for that school again. Not so much in about me fast. They shine nice for me.
How? My pikin abeg greet am o. Greet am.
Good morning, brother.
70 years old man.
See me, see what
Let me help you.
If you find me small, where they go far, just give me for transport.
Children of nowadays, begging at your age. If you want to start begging now, don't you know where beggars are? Don't you know them? Must you just see people on the way and just start asking for money? What's that? Come on, get it and go and look for something good for your life.
Wow. I
will never be broke in my life.
I will never be broke in my life.
Small boy with a big man sense. You know like me, they give and stress.
Kiriku no they take nonsense, yo.
You don't see fine, babe.
Liar.
Mazi. Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's been a while.
Yes. How you doing?
Cisco, I lost your number. I think I can have your new number now.
Okay, no problem.
So how have you been?
Oh, good to see you.
You're looking good. Please, can we just have some picture before
that's
you
my problem. Yeah, problem.
Hey, small boy. Please, can you come? Can you give us some picture?
Let's watch this video. Some few minutes. Let's watch this video.
Una mind no go touch ground.
All right now.
Una mind no go touch ground. I'll call you.
No problem.
And I'll chat you up.
Yeah, okay.
You're looking good.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Hey! Now lie. It's okay. Sobo, come back.
What is snap? Snap nonsense.
What did you snap?
My picture I snap now.
It is hard to snap picture using my head and I head come out with the picture.
I'm a photographer. No rest to day.
So,
I bet you.
You know yesterday.
Like I said, the devil has been waiting for you since to fail. And you just carry your destiny, give it to him, say, bros.
You can wait just 5 minutes.
6 out of 10. So do I take this remaining 4 to next year and add it to my 2025 plan, or do I 60% out of 100% for 2024? Not bad. Gafa. On my deal, I'm just looking at what I've achieved this year, and I'm pondering on what my 2025 goals will be like, and how I can actually achieve them perfectly. Bro, calm down. I'm you. Now maybe you from the future.
From the future.
And I bring you good tidings from the future. My future, okay? That's if it's the future you want. I'm listening. See, I have a gift for you. Believe me, you will love it. And perhaps it's the best way to kick off your 2025. And it might help you achieve some things off that list. You sure? Have you heard of FBS? FBS? Yes, it's an easy-to-use forex broker that has been around for over 15 years. It has tools that enables both old and new forex traders enhance their skills and achieve growth. I already trade forex, and FBS also give traders access to MT4 and MT5. That's not even the best part. FBS just launched a special campaign that started from 17th of December 2024 to January 26, 2025, and they're rewarding people, which is totaling over $1.5 million. The grand prize is $150,000, which will be shared among 1,000 clients, and the top reward gets a whole $20,000. So how do I participate? All you have to do is join FBS and deposit $100 into your wallet and begin to trade to unlock reward. And by doing so, you stand a chance to join the grand prize draw. New year, new trading goals, greater achievement with FBS.
Don't take style, do adverts.
Turn your 2025 into opportunities. Visit the link in my bio to go download the FBS app on your app store. Trade, celebrate, grow.
What's it with that?
Oga, don't make that mistake.
Stop there. I have to come back. Hello?
How you carry gun? Stand for
the picture we sent for me now. 2 people there here. 2 people they carry the same face. I know so now 1 person head you pay for. Which of you they follow my child, my daughter?
I beg go. Now our 2 they follow each other. I know they follow anybody.
Which of you now this picture?
Baba no be me.
You the also no be you there here. You the also no be you there here. So who can this picture?
Nah him. Are you whining yourself?
Now if say I can't play you, Abi. This I can't play with you, Abi. This thing where the man never tell you they can't work what they do, Abi. Who have this picture? Who did this picture?
Bros, calm down. We go confess.
Oh yeah, when I begin talk. Who there here before I go start my operation?
I swear to God. Nah him. Don't die, my friends.
We must
shoot now.
Fabiga.
Yes, Uncle.
How are you?
Fine.
Come on, take.
No, I don't want.
Why?
Is that not you and your evil sister there? Everybody know you and your evil sister in this village.
Jesus! Stay away from me if you not here. See your life.
Guys, you see what your mouth cannot talk.
Mazi, now God will help me judge you.
God forbid.
Hey! Nice one, boys. Now we are done with the east. Now we head to the west. After there, north and south. All right? Let's go.
Pluto, where my money?
How far in the shop now you be? Why you ask me money? I hold your money.
Pluto, so you get mad, damn my money for Asa.
How far me not be as a man? Who turn as that be as a man? And misinformation be that one now.
Pluto, where my 50k does? You say what? 50k does.
Hey! But that one a ritualist, they pick that one a block. Oh. Since when they do this job, I never pick anything when KD.
But sure you send on your personal account.
Yeah, you sure you send on your personal account.
Pluto, sure you send on your personal account.
How far I can't account for this account? I not be as a man.
So how many no man got this business now?
All of us. But share now you be Pluto. When they wear white singlet, you they wear knicker. You can't use one finger hold the
nigga. This now, me be this.
This guy, hey, wow, no carry this guy.
Pluto.
Who be that man?
Show me that money.
Eh no.
You go catch that man.
This evening you will die.
Another Pluto one day. What's going on here?
A few moments later.
Hey! You just said that. Hey, go.
My small thing charger. Enjoy yourself. See, money in water. Okay, you don't know me. You don't know the first oil and gas for this already. I see you now. I'm gonna say today na Thursday. Now why you drink this small spin of ice? If to say on a Saturday, I catch you. Now you see SO for the drink. Okay.
Hello? Just they come inside. You go see me down there. Sharp.
You order anything?
In-law.
What's going on here?
What else, sir?
In-law.
My great grandmother. This is our first.
Child. My great grandmother said. So now not resemble.
Look at the nose now.
Okay, now nose. Let's give her water now.
Bring me the check something.
What's what we do for you?
Sure, we have water there. You know, saying from some, making calm.
I want this and this.
This and this water, it's fine. Your family people are correct guys.
You say this and this, you say water and mix.
Yes, sir.
Hello, white.
Jesus.
This is my uncle. A first son. His name is
Gentle. You know they behave like his name. They give her water now. You know say from sun come.
Waiter, exactly this.
Money na water.
Money na water.
But I don't take style in video.
Ella. Our first son, like the elder brother.
Una first son.
Yeah.
The younger ones they chop this kind of thing. Wetin this first son want chop? Come, you guys all of una dey craze for this place. You dey mad?
Waiter.
Let's come and say that you dey una dey craze. Wetin dey worry una? Wetin dey? Come on, who be your babe? See small only why say my manage you. I tell you, babe, come out, I carry you go out. You carry people from motherless baby so. Oh, all of una there they chop anyhow. In fact, all of us go pay for this thing. In-law. That in-law, but one part there.
Hello. Yeah, I've seen the bouncer. Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Thank you. Yo, everybody, meet my bouncer.
Stop that video now. Why are you videoing me? What's happening? Why they video me?
Okay, it's my bouncer now.
So bouncer now they the video bouncer.
So I don't feel make video again for what I carry.
You cannot make video. Sure, you don't even show me love. You never show me love. You don't video me like say you buy goods and services. You do something to my open now.
Oh yeah, now. Call your account, make I send
money
video.
to my account first.
Sent.
All right.
Yo, everybody, see.
Stop video. I've told you I'm not here for video.
But bro, I don't pay you now.
I'm here to protect you, not for video, bro. Which kind of thing be that today?
This don't making it twice. I pay for people who bring you come here. I still pay for you. You see they tell me say man, don't feel make video. You can't.
Okay, go calm down. Which video you want to?
Okay, you won't shock me.
Which useless video you want to? You go respect yourself. Oh.
No wala, no wala. No more video. No wala. No video.
Now, wow.
Meet the bouncer.
Who be the bouncer? Don't mind him, Jerry. My name is Bayo.
How
are you? Not the bouncer.
Don't worry, leave him.
Yes,
okay, open the door for me enter. Which Bayo? Eh? Open door for me enter now. Make she enter.
She's not handicapped now. You don't know the work. Open the door by yourself now. Door they work and they work. Waiting come concern me with door. Let's go to the venue.
Once they open door, which guy?
Bouncer, you see that? Make I stand up. You want me leg the pain? You know, sitting at Timberline that way. Please bring my food.
Which guy? A cake bouncer with this one.
Oh,
you will still collect food.
Wonder your face is white.
You'll be mumu.
What of my own food? They don't bring food for me.
Oga, na bouncer job you can't do here. No be to come shop with us.
So bouncer is not a human being.
So na food you can't shop for you. I mean to stand protect me.
Then as I protect you, make I shop. I protect you.
You want shock?
Don't play with me.
Which kind of sense bouncer with this one?
Hello, please, this bouncer. You need to take this bouncer out of this place. Yes, this bouncer is threatening my life. You want to kill me? Oh.
Don't worry, me I will wife you.
Wow, I love you, babe.
Why you carry my babe like say it be for that Christmas now?
Which babe? You don't propose to him. This babe has told me everything about you. You are not taking her serious. And me, I want to wife this girl.
Okay, respect yourself.
If I chase you, if I shock you, respect yourself, oh. You don't take babe serious now. I won't take her to the next level. You see they do anyhow.
No, leave her they go now.
Thank God I never pay for this food. Continue, you go pay for the food.
Wait, baby girl, wait. Okay, wait, come and pay for this food, oh. Okay, come and pay for this food.
You be bouncer now, mumu. You don't get 1 cent. 911 in Nigeria. 911 in Nigeria.
Thank you for calling the Nigerian Police Force 112. How may we help you? For English, press 1. If na pidgin you want, press 2. Who are the Yoruba? Etaro. Makasusu Igbo, press 4. For armed robbery case, press 1. 2 fighting, press 2. If the armed robbers are more than 1, press 1. If they are 3, press 2. If they are 4 and above, press 3. Okay. If they carry gun, press 1.
Can you imagine?
If they carry cutlass,
they carry gun.
If not all of them carry gun, press 1. If only one person
all of them carry gun. All of them carry gun.
If they gun they sound chakakbom, press 1. If na ta, press 2. If na kakakakakam, press 3. If they don't kill anybody, press 1.
They don't kill person.
If not only one person, press 1. If not 2 people, more than 2 people, press 2. Okay, thank you for calling the Nigerian Police Force. Please refer this case to the nearest vigilante.
Guy, wait, you get what I said for you. I be master.
Omo, you know this Samu. Yeah, they dangerous now.
Guy, do the big like Poma.
Omo, if no be vendor wey hit me here, I will get money to buy another phone now.
Vendor repair, sir. Why you not all these kinds? You know they tell me because of next time. You want to your gift card? They be say you know say they very sure and legit. Download P-Gold app. See, they dey very fast and reliable. They buy and sell all types of cryptocurrencies. They even buy and sell gift card. Even if you want for your Betty wallet, go down for that app. See, bro, that app get many things where they do. So those who download the app now, they go Google Play Store and Apple Store. Get an army all this thing where they worry me stop. I don't lean now. Ah wow, more they go abeg. Tell me. Just your eye don't see. Stop that! Is that? Okay, is that? Man, let it in your pocket. Notice. I will force you. Take the phone. Are you? What's in your pocket? Anything else? No, not this, sir. Excuse me, sir. You dare say bring out your phone. They do it.
Nice one.
Thank you, sir.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Who does that? They steal your phone. Your friend, they don't see your own. You go call armed robber back, make you can't carry your phone. you cease to be my friend, though. Nothing you want to tell me. Like, you cease to be my friend. Like, nothing. Nothing can bring me and you together again for this life. Like, you cease to be my friend. You don't be friend now. You be evil. That's what you are. I'll just tell you the truth. It's as simple as that. Which kind of nonsense with that one? Ha! I better go. Anyways, thank you guys for sticking to the very end. I really appreciate. You know what to do. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, and believe me, you will not be disappointed. In case you're yet to subscribe or you're coming across my channel for the very first time, this is the perfect opportunity to do that. Subscribe, drop nice comments, and share my videos. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.